Breast cancer is one of the cancer. If you detect it early and treat well, we can completely cure. And also the highest cause of cancer among female, both globally and Sri Lanka. In Sri Lankan situation, it is accounted 26%, and worldwide it is 24%. That is out of the female who develop cancers. So, in globally, 1.38 new cases are occurring in each year, and 450,000 deaths from breast cancer each year. In Sri Lankan situation, around 3,500 breast cancer cases are reported per each year among female, and 10 new cases per day, and 3 deaths per due to breast cancer in each day. Although these numbers are small, they are someone's loved one. So, in each cancer, there are 4 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Then, out of these 4 stages, if you detect first stage and second stage, you can completely cure. Especially, you can improve the quality of life as well as improve the survivorship. If you detect it late stages 3 and 4, it really decreases the quality of life as well as the survivorship. Sometimes these women are breadwinner of the family. As I told you earlier, females are 100 times higher risk of getting breast cancers than male. Actually, the exact cause is unknown, but there are some risk factors. What is risk factor? Risk factor is something that increases a person's chances of developing a disease. So then there are certain risk factors for breast cancers too. There are modifiable as well as unmodifiable risk factors. Modifiable risk factors, you can change it. Unmodifiable risk factors, you can't change it. Modifiable risk factors, one is obesity. That may be due to high BMI, that means body mass index. It may be due to unhealthy diet, lack of physical exercise. Then second one is tobacco and alcohol. Those are modifiable risk factors. Those who are taking alcohol as well as smoke, as well as if they are obese, then it will higher chances of developing breast cancer. That does not mean always they will develop breast cancer, but it is a higher chances of developing breast cancer. So next one is there are unmodifiable risk factor. Being a female, it is a risk factor for developing breast cancer than male. Another one is increasing age. Over 80% of all female cancers occurring among age over 50 years, that is breast cancer. Usually in Sri Lankan situation, over 45 years, the breast cancer incidence are increasing. Then other thing is there is a family history and genetical history. So this genetical, there are certain people, they have abnormal genes, that is BRCA1 and BRCA2. So these people have more chances of developing breast cancers. Then again, if your blood relatives, if they have breast cancers, there is a very strong family history. If there is a very strong family history, they will develop breast cancer. Then again, exposure to radiation. If the person is exposed to radiation, especially into the chest area during childhood, that really increases the chances of developing breast cancer. Again, there are some other minor unmodifiable risk factors are there. That is early menarche, that means first menstruation, that is if it is happening before the age of 12, as well as late menopause, then that is especially after age of 55 years. And ladies who do not have children, that is also risk factor. And there are certain long-term hormonal therapy that is also risk of developing breast cancer. At the same time, there are some protective factors. It is important to know what are those protective. Breastfeeding, that really protect to develop breast cancers among female. And regular physical exercise, that really reduce obesity, that really reduce developing breast cancers. It is important to practice healthy lifestyle, especially we have to avoid smoking, avoid alcohol, and you have to maintain your body weight. Especially to maintain body weight, you have to be physically active. We have to reduce sedentary life, as well as we have to take healthy lifestyle to maintain a body weight. That means maintain the body mass index. The early signs and symptoms, if you detect it early, then we can give correct treatment and we can completely cure. It is important to know signs and symptoms. So then we have to look for changes and we have to palpate your breast to abnormalities. I will explain you how to do that. So then every woman, then after 7 days of menstruation, they have to do self-breast examination. If the women, those who have menopause, then they can fix any date of the month. They have to do it in every month. So then how you are going to do that? So you can go to a very secure place and you have to go in front of a mirror and you have to undress your upper garments. Then you can look for any abnormalities. Then how you are going to do that? You have to raise your hands and rest your hands behind your head. Then you have to look for any abnormalities. What are those abnormalities? You can see any abnormality of size, color, shape in your breast. In addition to that, you can see any rash, dimpling of skin of your breast. That dimpling of skin means that is, it's like orange peel. So then you can see if there is any inverted nipple, swelling, discharge from nipple. So then after that, if there is any abnormalities, you have to contact your doctor. Then after that, you have to palpate. So what to palpate? You have to look for, any thickening or any lump in your breast. At the same time, you have to palpate your under the armpit to see any lymph nodes. That means if there is any glands. So then some people they have pain, some people they do not have pain. So then actually it is really important to if you detect any abnormalities or if there is any abnormal lumps or something, then you have to immediately contact your doctor.